welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, today I'm going to be showing you different handstands and all types. The last one is going to be really impossible. So before I get to this video, remember to subscribe, smash that like button right now, turn on notification bell, this time in only 10 seconds. I give you extra time because you have to press all of them by holding a back bend for 10 minutes straight and then pressing the button with your thumb finger. Can you do it? If you did it, give yourself a pat on the back. Now let's get to this video. First, I'm going to be stretching because stretching is really good, and if we do really flexibility, things like handstands is not a really flexibility, it's only a really good method to do some flexibility stuff. So if you want me to do some stretches, so you can just go to my name is Khan to a channel and you can find a 10-20 minute stretch and you can just do the stretch right now. So what I do is all the foot flexibility, because handstands you have to kick over. The first handstand that I'm going to do is a really stacked handstand. I'm just going to go into a handstand and then stomp. I'm just going to go, guys look at me. If I go into a handstand and then I go straight into a cartwheel. So this is not a handstand. This is a cartwheel. If I do a normal stacked handstand and then if I stomp it, you have to land in your fingers and marshmallow fingers like this. You have to either straighten it or bend it. The next one is a really cool one. I just do a cartwheel. I hold it. Stomp it again. I just stomp it. I just stomp it. Go into my fingers again. And the next one is a stand handstand. I'm just gonna bend both legs and then go on this side and then stomp it again. And the next one is a one-handed handstand. If you think it's impossible, subscribe. Alright, we're just gonna go into a simple side handstand, and you have to keep the posture straight or bend. Pull one of your legs, put one of your hands on your ribs or one hand in the, and then just kick one leg up a little bit and then go straight into a handstand, and then you stomp it with only one hand. And then the next one is a round off handstand. I'm just gonna go a bit back. Stomp and then jump, go and straight. I spin and then I came in front. The next one is a really simple one. You just need to kick one leg. So you have to put your hands forward. Stomp it again. And actually what I did, I marshmallow fingers, keep your hands up. I'm just gonna look at you guys. I stomped it. And if you jump like a bunny, it's not as strong. I'm going to do it again so you can understand. See, this is the really difficult one. You have to keep your legs up a bit and then you have to turn into a circle. Alright guys, so I'm just going to do one more handstand before I leave this video. I'm just going to go into a straight handstand. Stomp. Alright guys, that's the end of my video. Remember to subscribe, smash the like button right now, turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye!